G'day and welcome back to Fun with Canva. In tonight's tutorial, we are going to be looking at how to fill a splatter frame with an image. So what we first need to do is bring an element into the screen, and it's a square, and we'll just make sure that that's positioned in the middle and center. We're going to change that color to yellow. And once we've done that, we're going to bring in a splatter mark, so white ink splatter. So I'm just going to click on that and it'll come into the front, and we'll just adjust this a little bit closer to the actual image. Okay, so now that we've got that, basically what we do is come over here to share, go to download and select the current page, and we press done. Now because I did one the other day, I am just going to upload that, and there it is. Alright, so now that we've got that in the page, what we need to do is we need to remove the background. So we'll come here up to background remover and we'll remove the background. Alright, just to show that it is removed, we'll change the color and you can see the black there. Alright, so what we then need to do is we need to utilize an image. Alright, so come over here to elements and we pick on the image. I chose this one, beautiful couple kissing in the rain. So we'll just click on that one and shrink it down, and we'll just enlarge this one out. We'll just put that back in the middle, so go to position, middle and center. Alright, and we'll put that one there. We'll go to layers and we'll center back. Alright, so just going up to where I had my previous design, I incorporated both the faces pretty much in the center there, which they are. So just bring the photo inside like so. Okay, alright, so that's good. Now we want to add some shadow, so we'll go to here and click on the yellow and then go to shadow, and if we do a drop shadow, alright, that will give us these things here. So we can play around with intensity, alright, we can play around with distance, alright, you can play around with blur amount, all that sort of stuff. Alright, so that's given us a bit of a depth there. Play around with angle. Alright, distance. Yep, so that's alright. So I like that. What else did we have? So we had in there, we had the shadow as purple. So we can go back there and we can change the shadow color to a purple color, like so. Come over here and adjust the purple. Alright, so there we go, there's the purple. What else? What else? What else? We can put a, oh yeah, we've got an outline there which we can put at the end. Alright, so what we're going to do now is just come over here to the element of a square again, and we are going to cover the background. So it's yellow, using the same yellow color. So we'll go there and we'll go there, and then we just duplicate that one over to there, make sure it's covered there and there, duplicate, bring down, bring across, and then duplicate again and bring that up there. Alright, so now that that's done, what we can do is just check things. So we have to bring that in a bit like that. Alright, important just to check. Yep, it's all covered. Alright, cool. So what we do then is just go to share, go to download, and again, download that image. Because I've already downloaded it, I will go to my uploads and come back up here and use this one. Alright, so as you can see there, we've downloaded the image, upload, it's got its purple background color and whatnot. So again, we go to background remover and remove the background. Now we can leave it as black, or we can change the color and make it white or purple or any sort of color like that. And then see how it's got the yellow in there. So what we can do is we can go to edit and we can go adjust, and if we scroll all the way down here, we can take out the yellow. So we can change the brightness, change the saturation, so that changes that down. Come over to this yellow, again, brightness, saturation, and you can see that we've got that darkened look there. And you can do that to all the colors, and yeah, it basically just takes out all the color. So there is our base picture, and then what we can do is enlarge that. So drag this in, drag this in, drag this in, and expand that out like so. Okay, we can come to position and just make sure it's in the middle. Alright, so I think that's not too bad. Then come over here to elements, add in the standard Canva logo, go to layers, show layers, highlight that, go to group, alright, put that there. Alright, and there you have it, folks. It's an image within a splatter frame, and like I always say, have fun with Canva, and until next time, enjoy design, and catch you later. Bye for now.